Gad.
Oh Math Gad guys, welcome to today's video in which we're going to be learning how to rotate a polygon 180 degrees around the origin. Okay guys, so let's begin. So now guys, in today's video we're actually going to be learning how to rotate a polygon around the origin 180 degrees, right? So let's say we have a polygon, right? Before we saw that whenever we rotated 90 degrees, we were going to use a formula, but now that we're rotating it 180 degrees, we're going to have another formula, right? So whenever we have a point px and that point is rotated 180 degrees around the origin, the rotated point, so the final position, is going to be in minus x minus y. So that means that whatever the value of x is, we're going to put its opposite. So if it's positive, then it's going to be negative, and if it's negative, now it's going to be positive. And the same thing that we're going to do for x, we're going to do it for y. So let's take a look at today's problem. So it says that quadrilateral FGHJ has coordinates F, G, H, and J, as we can see here. And we're being asked to find the coordinates of the rotation of that quadrilateral. Okay, so now we're going to find for the rotation of 180 degrees, right, of F, which is going to give us F tick mark, which basically means that the point F has been moved from its original position, right? So if it was positive 2, positive 6, now it's going to be negative 2 and negative 6, right? And we're going to do exactly the same thing with every one of those vertices in that polygon. So G is now going to have a new position, which is minus 3, minus 2. So it's very, very easy. You just have to change the signs of it. And we're going to do the same thing with H. So the rotation of H gives us a new position of H, which is going to be minus 7 and minus 5, right? And the rotation of 180 degrees of point J across or around the origin is going to give us the new position of minus 5 comma minus 2. So it's pretty easy and pretty straightforward. You just have to change the sign of the x and the y coordinates. If we had another point, let's say we call it point A, which was minus 2 comma 3, then the rotation of 180 degrees would have been 2 comma minus 3, because we have to change both signs. And that is pretty much it for today, guys. So make sure you review this video if you want to practice even further. And without further ado, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.
Check out these other videos to improve your math skills, and make sure you click that subscribe button to make the community grow. Follow ohmathgad in its social media accounts, drop a like, a comment below, and see you on the next one. Bye!